Hi and welcome to my channel Diced in Spice. We are going to see Neivedhyam dishes for day 6 of Navarathri. A white Channa Sundal and a sweet called Ksheerannam. Let's first see how to make the white Channa Sundal. I've taken 1/3 of a cup of white Channa, that is Kondai Kadalai or Kabuli Channa, soaked it for 6 to 7 hours, cooked it for 2 whistles with salt. Let's go to the tempering. To a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, splutter half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of Jeera, half a teaspoon of Urad Dal, saute it, add some curry leaves, broken red chilies, a pinch or 2 of Asafoetida. Add the cooked channa, add more salt if required. Switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Our protein-rich white Channa Sundal is now ready. Now let's see how to make the Ksheerannam. Ksheerannam literally translates to Ksheer meaning milk and Annam meaning rice. It is a sweet made of milk and rice. I've taken a 1/4 cup of rice. For 1 part of rice, I've used 4 parts of water. I've cooked it for 5 to 6 whistles. Feel free to use any ratio that is applicable for your cooker. We need a mashy consistency. Now let's mash it up completely. Add 1/3 of a cup of milk. Adding just cold milk is okay now. Mix it completely. There should be no lumps. I'm adding condensed milk today, but that's entirely optional. I'm using 2 to 3 teaspoons of condensed milk. Mix it up nicely. Now let's move this to the stove. In a milk pan, heat half a cup of milk. Once it is warm, add the mashed rice. Let's keep the flame between low and medium. As this is made of milk and rice, it might catch at the bottom, so make sure you're stirring it continuously. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Mix it well. Add a lavish sprinkle of saffron. This gives a beautiful golden yellow color. The sweetness from the condensed milk was not sufficient, so I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of sugar. So on the whole, you can add around 4 tablespoons of sugar if you are omitting the condensed milk. Mix well. As the sugar melts, it will feel a little watery, but it will thicken soon. Stir it continuously. Now we can see the Ksheerannam bubbling up nicely and it's thickening. I've roasted some cashews in 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Add it to the Ksheerannam. It'll thicken more as it cools. You could add some more ghee while serving. The fragrance of the elaichi and saffron along with the creaminess rendered by the milk, rice and condensed milk will just give you a hit on your senses. It's a very simple dish to make as it requires just cooked rice and some milk. Our yummy Ksheerannam is now ready. Let's enjoy our Navarathri with God's blessings and of course our yummy tasty dishes from Diced and Spiced. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.